Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of not working on the application of Pinterest. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings as you see, and we click here. You will find like this first page of settings. Then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find the application of Pinterest, and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage and you will click. In this page of storage, you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So don't click here on clear data. You should clear also on clear cache. After that, you will return to app info page like this. You will go to this window of permissions and you will click here. And as you see here in this page, you will check if all your permissions are allowed. You will find here, for example, just contacts and photos and videos permissions that are allowed, but you will allow all these permissions that you have here. For example, notifications. We will click here. After that, in this page, you will click in this sign. And as you see, if this sign changed to this color, then you can know how to turn on notifications on the application of Pinterest. And when you will end on this page, you will go to the window of Play Store and you will click here. And as you see in this page, you will go to above and you will search about the application of Pinterest like this. Here you will find your application, and as you see, if you find in this blue sign update, then you should update your application. But if all these steps not working with you or not solving your problem, then the final solution is to uninstall your app and you will uninstall it again to fix that problem of not working on Pinterest. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.